What up, YouTube? So today we're gonna work on the Q50. So, yup, I got the license plate relocation kit. So we're gonna install that today, cause my plate looks bogus right there. So first, let me remove this tow eye cap. Remove this little tow eye cap right here. If y'all can see that, it has to be removed. So I'm gonna go grab some tools real quick. Remove that. I think I'm just gonna use my knife. Just be really gentle. This is all you need. That's a little edge on it. That. And then I'm gonna go over here. Pop it off from over here. I'll be really careful, y'all. Pop it off from right here. Do it from here. There it goes. It's got like a little safety clip, y'all. So just grab it. We'll slide it off. Don't. Make sure you hold on to this. You never know. There's a big hole right there too. As y'all can see, big hole. So you just put the relocation kit right there. You cut these off. Go back over here. Twisting it, y'all. Grab the ratchet. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. Something like that. I got the red one. So yeah, it's gonna be looking like that for now. Just put that front plate on there, y'all. That's how you do it. Quick and easy. Quick walk around of the car because I know you guys been wanting to see it. But yeah, it's already mounted and everything, the front plate. Just gotta tighten down some bolts. But yeah, this is the new Q50 that I just purchased. It's not new to me, but I've been having it for about 6 months already. It's new to the channel. You guys haven't seen it because you guys seen the G37. But yeah, man, I love this car, man. It's amazing. It's a little dirty right now, but I can get it fixed up. I can get it washed up. Ain't no biggie. Let me just turn it around real quick. It's my little baby though, man. It's my little baby. I gotta go get this girl cleaned up. Nice and clean. I like keeping it clean, man. But yeah, let me just tighten up these bolts real fast. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys seen. Show some love and support. Follow the man. Till next time. Peace.